Now, to introduce our honorable guest, Mr. Amit Pandey, Vice President and Head Human Resource at Tikona Digital Networks. Sir is a chemical engineer from Harcourt Butter Technology Institute, Kanpur, and comes with a rich experience of more than 19 years in automobile and telecom industry.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good now with goggles, first time speaker. Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank all the management of BITM, Apurva madam for giving such a wonderful, introduction. Madhvi madam for escorting me since morning. So how's the lunch? Right? Good? The stomach is full? So everybody is feeling sleepy? So, no? Okay, so anybody who wants to feel, who's actually feeling sleepy, you can, sleep well. Nobody is going to record anything and put any problem with that. Okay. So before I think we'll start this small journey of around 1 hour, I would just like to ask a very simple question to all of you. Who is a stranger? Me. Wow. Who said that? Good. Who is a stranger? Somebody, general. Specific is fine. Whom we don't know? Whom we see but we don't know exactly? Okay, so we all know who is a stranger. So let's see who is a stranger. Oops. It's too sensitive, huh? Just like me. Oops. All right. So there is no stranger in this world. It's only friends we haven't met yet. Right or wrong? Right. So what is happening, ladies and gentlemen, now? I'm meeting so many friends, and you all are also meeting one friend. So I'm no more a stranger, madam. And let me just try to tell you that we all need to remove these glasses and just get connected for next 1 hour. Thank you. No need. So the topic that I thought I'll share with all of you is called A Journey Without Destination. How's the topic? Very good, right? So we all need to understand that what exactly is this exciting phase is called journey. So there's nothing what you call is a destination. It's all we all keep achieving some milestone. For example, you are studying, your next milestone is to get a job. The moment you get a job, your journey starts again. The moment you complete 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, your journey keeps going on. So that's how a journey without destination. And I would just touch upon a little bit about my learnings. How's my journey? Okay, so how our life has changed, especially in last 10 years. So let's see what are the exits happened in last 10 years. Telegram, public smoking, these are the exits. Even Sachin Tendulkar has taken the retirement. Auto icons used to be like Fiat Premium, all these Maruti 800 cars. All these exit has happened, Osama bin Laden, etc. Kodak as a company. But also we have got some entries, not some, many entries. So if you see what exactly has changed our life from last 10 years, it's all social media, touch screen, mobile broadband, e-commerce, radio cabs, private equity, mobile chat, taps, FM, DTH, YouTube. All these are actually taken birth in last 10 years. So how the life was when we see 10 years, 15 years, 20 years back. So 20 years back, it was actually the golden old days. So I am just remembering, and that's what I have written over there, as a part of Jagjit Singh. Is it okay if I speak in Hindi English book? Oh, thank you. So Jagjit Singh की एक गजल है. We all have heard? ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, वो कागज की कश्ती, वो बारिश का पानी. So few strategies what has been used. I'll touch upon one by one quickly. So one concept called problem versus innovation. So there are 1,000 ways you can say no to any task. That is called excuses. Problems. And there is only one way if you want to solve that problem. That is called innovation. तो हिंदी की 2 लाइनें हैं कि सर के ऊपर आसमां, कदमों के नीचे है जमी, और जो न हारे गर्दिशों में बस वही है आदमी. Okay, have you ever thought that in the Olympic season, why a plane race is 100 meter and a hurdle race is 110 meter? होता है ना ऐसा? Right? Have you ever thought? What is the reason behind that? Okay, so when I thought why it is like that, I said it is because when we get hurdles, we achieve 10% more. You're able to understand the concept? So if you get the hurdles, you achieve 10% more. So that's how we need to keep crossing those hurdles and keep innovating and work towards transforming our entire process of whatever we want to do in our life. Second concept, pretty funny, I'm sure you're gonna laugh on this. I've worked in Japanese organizations, a lot of time I've visited to Japan, so I'm very close to Japan as a culture for 13 years. So Japanese way of thinking, if one can do it, I can also do it. If no one can do it, I must do it. Right? This is what the thought process, what they had. Now a little bit on a lighter side, with due respect of all the humans, another thought process, which is a Middle Eastern thought process, which says, Wallahi, if one can do it, let him do it. If no one can do it, Ya Habibi, how can I do it? So what is the difference? The difference is mindset, thought process. How we want to see one thing. Right? So keep doing. Let me repeat this word. Keep doing and keep doing. People will follow you one day. Not on Twitter or Facebook. Right? Not on Twitter or Facebook, but they'll follow you one day. Either you become the part of the crowd, or you make the crowd start following you. Either you start copying the benchmark or the best practices that's happening in the industry, or you create your own benchmark and let others, copy you. So the last line says, honesty can be disturbed but can't be destroyed. अंग्रेजी में मजा नहीं आता है, हिंदी में बोलते हैं सच्चाई परेशान हो सकती है परंतु पराजित नहीं हो सकती. Innovative, seek excellence and success will. Which movie? Wow, something interesting, entertaining, right? So all is well. If you proceed towards the excellence, success will follow you. So we have heard a lot of things about the excellence, right? So how many of you watch cricket? Most of them, right? So when you see the cricket game, you heard a lot of time when the commentator said excellent shot, right? Very common. How many times you heard? Maybe around 10 times, 20 times, 30 times in a match, right? Excellent shot, excellent shot. So let's try to understand what exactly the meaning of excellence. So I'll play a video, another video. You all know him? Okay, you all know him for a different reason. Okay, so we'll touch upon a small video. If you watch this video very carefully, you all will understand what exactly the excellence, the meaning of excellence. Can we have the video number 3? The Tiger Woods. 4.
This is the ball of Tiger Woods. Randy, what about this?
Vern, this is extremely difficult. This is one of the toughest pitches on the entire place here. He's got to put this well that you can see him looking up the slope. He's almost got to put it up to where you saw Trevor Immelman's ball come from to get it close.
Well, I'm reminded of Davis Love here 4 or 5 years ago when he pitched in.
Yeah, he's a little bit further up, I think, than Davis was.
Yes, he is.
Got the same basic kind of shot, and he's going to have to get it close, he's going to have to put it up into the slope, though, somewhat. And of course it's made a lot tougher by having that second cut right behind the ball. It almost forces him, I think, to put it back and have to hit a low shot. He cannot put it up in the air with the second cut that close behind the ball. You can see him putting it back in the stance right here and picking the club up like he's going to hit right down on it.
And he's picked out a landing spot that is a good 25 feet above the hole.
There's a good chance he doesn't get this inside the mark of his ball.
Have you seen anything like that?
Okay. Can we have a big round of applause for this gentleman? So the commentator has not used a word called excellent shot. What he has used? In your life, have you ever seen something like this? Have you ever seen? So people who have not seen can see that. That is called excellence. The best part of this video is not that shot. Right? Best part is the time what he spent to design that shot. That is called planning. So we all understand that PDCA cycle? Plan, do, check, act. So how the strong planning results into a perfection in terms of doing. And keep checking that what you have planned and what is actually happening. What are the gaps? What are the areas where we in HR Genius Awards? 2 days back we have got 2 awards. So we haven't, restricted ourselves to only Indian organization, Indian award ceremonies. We have gone global. So there is a procurement leader awards happens in London, where there are 700 senior procurement leaders across 68 countries participates in that award ceremony. So we participated in that award ceremony, and fortunately we have got 1 nomination. So you just see the kind of the organizations. Delphi, GSK, Goodyear, Novartis, P&G, Unilever, and Ticona Digital Networks. It's on the excellence in the procurement. Who won the award? Ticona? No. Unilever, that's why the arrow is there on the Unilever. But nomination in that event happens in London is more like an Oscar. It's a red carpet with that, wine and round table with that bow tie and all those stuff. So what has happened when we didn't got the award? I posted this on the second day in the morning on my Facebook and LinkedIn. Failure is the first step, as I said earlier. Failure is the first step of success, and we just took that step. Congratulations to Unilever for winning the excellence category in procurement, Global Procurement Leaders Award in London in 2013 and giving us another reason to dream. We started dreaming again and we said we will not give up, and this is what has happened. 32 awards in last 1.5 years. My entire cabin is full of the awards. This is like few of the awards. So why awards? Because awards gives a daily motivation. It gives a daily motivation to the entire team that yes, we are doing something which is different and which is being recognized by most of the corporates across different, award ceremonies. So we haven't stopped there. So we have won the 2 awards in Singapore for Asia Pac. So one is called Innovation in Procurement and Best Procurement Team. For this, we have also got 5 shortlisting in these categories, including myself as a outstanding procurement leader. Although in India, I've got Outstanding Procurement Leader Award, 2-time Supply Chain Officer of the Year Award, 1-time Supply Chain Visionary of the Year. So this is the 2 days back when I was talking. No, it's not working. Okay, so Team Tikona has got 2 awards, Innovation in Recruitment and Best HR Practices. Okay, so why all these stories? Because what we started the presentation called, it's a journey without destination. So journey is still on. There is no and the hence journey continues. Thank you very much. Thank you very much all of you for your patient listening.